You might be wondering if natural living with Nina is for you. Is this something that is going to work for you in your life? Is this actually the right track, the right path for you? Are you going to get benefit from this program, from this membership? So let me reassure you that yes, I agree with you. It's not for everyone, but I'm also not going to be taking on people into this club where I know that it's actually not the right step for them at this point in time. So how do we know if this is for you? Is this for you? What is the story? Firstly, this club is probably for you if you are actually ready to take action. Like you really want to make change. You've had enough of those, I'm going to start on Monday, I'm going to start on Monday. And you're like, you know what? I'm done with it. Let's start. So if that's you, if you're fed up, if you've had enough and you just want to take action now, then you're probably in the right place. You're probably also in the right place if you're like me, perimenopausal in your 40s and 50s, and realizing that the habits, the practices that maybe you were doing in your 20s and your 30s worked well for you then, and now all of a sudden things have shifted and changed in your body and you actually need a different way of working and operating. If that's you, then you're probably in the right place as well. And if you're more interested, more inclined, and kind of like looking for natural remedies, natural steps first before actually having to go down any allopathic route with regards to health and wellness, then you're definitely in the right place, because we will be looking at what are simple lifestyle practices and habits that we can shift and change naturally for ourselves. This might also be a great club for you if you want to get yourself on track. So you probably know what to do. You probably even know how to do it. You're probably just not following through and actually doing it on a daily basis. So if you're needing accountability and someone who's just going to lightly kick your butt in place, then you're in the right place. And lastly, if you need something that is simple, that is easy, where there is a simple structure to follow, something that you can implement in your busy schedule, then you're definitely in the right place, because I have structured this for busy women who, just like me, but who want something simple and tangible that are actually going to result in decent, proper, achievable results. I have 4 start dates a year. You can check the intake form below. You can fill that out. We have a very honest conversation, no pressure at all. I don't do any hard selling whatsoever, because we've got 4 start dates. That means that you can literally have a look at your diary and be like, you know what, I'm ready to do this in 3 months' time or 6 months' time. Remember that you don't have to figure it out alone. Let's talk, let's make a plan. And even if I can't help you, I know a lot of people in the wellness industry, and I'm sure that I have at least a contact for you, or someone that can support you on your journey. So if you're ready, go get your turmeric tea, maybe your mint tea, maybe your chamomile tea. Grab the intake form from the descriptions below. And if you're not ready for that just yet, then catch my next video, which is all about my seasonal reset. And maybe I'll see you there instead. Take care. Bye.